Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? I'm in my front room here and I've set it all up as my storytelling studio. Can I do that? There we are. There is the storytelling chair, which is a Parker Knoll chair, which my daughter was given, and she did that as a upholstery project. And so I've got lights and stuff here. I'll just turn the camera around and show you all that stuff. So here we have the story chair. I've got lights and stuff. Actually, I'm rather pleased with these. These are new. I've got these. These are kind of LED batten lamps that you'd have in your garage. Garage. We call it a garage. Lighting up the green screen at the back. And then I've got this Fresnel light up here, a little spotlight, which is for backfill kind of thing. And then I've got my softbox lights here. And then I've got my microphone, directional microphone down here. And then I've got the camera down here. And then what I do is I sit down here. There's the green screen behind me, but we need to get rid of that. Like that. And then we have to put a piece of paper behind. And then I can start drawing. And this is Bombassa. Did you see my Bombassa story this week? Dizzy DIY. I know lots of you did. And lots of you said you enjoyed it. Thank you. There are another 3 Bombassa stories, but it's going to take me a while before I get around to doing those. Oh, and here's Millie from Millie and Bombassa. So what have I been doing this week? I have been busy, just sorting things out for this kind of new style Shoo Rayner drawing channel. And I've been getting lots of old videos which are on other channels which you might not know about, things that I don't want, the channels that I started that kind of didn't quite go anywhere, and I thought, and I just kind of stopped. So I'm getting the ones that I don't want to lose, I'm putting them on here. It'll take about 3 or 4 weeks to get those done. Now, in 2 weeks' time, I'm starting a Kickstarter project. So I'm going to be making a limited edition book, which I hope you're all going to want to buy. And so I'll be telling you more about that as time goes on. But I'm clearing the decks so that I can really spend time working on that. And why am I doing a Kickstarter? I've had this story. The story for the book has been going on for so long. I suppose I started telling it about 20 years ago in schools. There's a whole story behind it, which I'll probably reveal over the next couple of weeks, how it came about. And it's gone through so many versions, and it's nearly got published, and one thing and another. There's been all sorts of strange things happen to it. And I've finally come up with the version that I really, really, really like. About 3 or 4 years ago. And you know, it takes about 3 years to get a picture book published traditionally. And then one thing and another, you think, and so I keep putting it off. And then just recently, the final kind of picture kind of came into my head, and I thought, yes, now it's ready. Now's the time to really get on with it and do it. And the thought of going through 2 or 3 years with a traditional publisher I can't bear. So I want to do this myself. I'm going to publish and be damned. I'm going to do it myself. And so there's going to be this Kickstarter project starting, which you're going to hear a lot about over the next few weeks. Now, if you're interested in self-publishing yourself, you might want to know that on my Patreon channel, I've got a reward level there where I call it the book club, where I'm going to be having exclusive videos just on there about the publishing process. And so you can kind of join along and learn all sorts of stuff like that if you want to do that. So that's about it for the moment. That's pretty much what's going on. Got an interesting drawing video coming up on Friday, which is kind of a bit dodgy. It's kind of not my own. Oh, you'll have to wait and see. And what else? So, and other than that, yay, got a wedding this weekend. So I can have a bit of a relaxing time and kind of take my mind away from it all. So until next week, there's lots more coming. But until I do another little video like this next week and tell you all about the Kickstarter. So in the meantime, you better keep drawing, practice, watching story videos, reading stuff, things like that. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye. Okay, you can turn this off now.